Hello everyone, I am Usha Taneja and welcome you back on my channel UT Style and Beauty. All the recipes for face and remedies which I bring here for you are tried and tested. First experiment, I experiment it with myself and then I ask others to follow these remedies. If you keep with me, then I'll suggest you how to get maximum benefits of these packs. And yes, it's true. The nature of every face is different, so the results may differ also. I have brought here 2 ice cubes of cucumber and green tea from my freezer. I have kept ready in a box, in an airtight box in the freezer, and this will be mixed in the face pack which I am going to prepare just now, and I am going to show you. This pack will reduce the sun tan, the blemishes, and whiten the skin. Will reduce the fine wrinkles on my face, and this remedy I am going to share with you. Please keep with me and keep watching this video, and the link of preparing these ice cube will be shared at the end screen. Till these cubes melt, I am going to apply on my face and let it melt in the bowl. And I have prepared this pack with rice and potato base. The base which I prepared in large quantity, and I have kept it in glass jar in fridge. And I whenever I prepare any face pack, I use this base, and I have kept it in the fridge. And then this pack is made of rice and potato. As you know, the rice and potato both are used in Korean beauty products, and the same link I'll give you at the end screen. This is the powerful base which returns our glow. Now I am adding one sorry half tablespoon of fuller's earth in this melted water, and then half tablespoon of besan, that is gram flour, in this melted water, and then the same potato and rice cream which I have prepared in large quantity. I am adding 2 tablespoons of this cream in it. This is enriched with vitamin E almond oil, and then I'm going to mix it well, stir it well till it becomes smooth to apply it on our face. There should be no lump in this pack. Yes, this should be of this consistency. Here it is ready to be applied. This face pack is ready, and I am going to apply it on my face with the help of a brush. Here I have to apply it on my face. One more thing that is important here, that is we have to apply all the face packs. Whatever we apply on our face, these should be applied on eyelids and under eyes also. Generally it is a tendency of all girls and women, they ignore this area, but it should not be done so. And we should apply this pack or everything else whatever we apply around the eyes also. It is very important. Here I have applied this pack on my face fully. Not even a single centimeter of space is left. We have to apply it completely, and this one, which one is left, I'll keep it and apply it again when the first coat dries up, a little bit dries up. I'll apply and wash it after half an hour. Then I'll come back to you. Here is one suggestion for you. If your face is sensitive to Fuller's Earth Multani Mitti, you can add only gram flour, that is besan, double its quantity, and then mix it and apply it on your face. And You can store it in the fridge. Whatever is left for a week, it will not decay. It will be ready to use. Now I have washed my face, and the results, as you can see, the results are amazing. The dullness has gone, the blemishes and suntan is very light now. This face has become very smooth and light, and even the wrinkles that were being seen on my face are now invisible, and I love it very much. This is the amazing result of this pack. Here you can also follow is my suggestion, and if you like this video, you can subscribe the channel, and like this video and share with your friends also. See you in the next video. Till then, you take care of yourself and your face, and thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.